is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Taiwan. This is by Vedan. This is their Jhen Tang garlic pesto noodle. Yes. So, it's a multi-pack. That's an individual pack. The noodle boils for 4 minutes. It kind of looks like what they're trying to do here. I've had some of this range in the past, and it's been pretty good. Basically, like they're trying to emulate a Taiwanese dry noodle in a more large manufacturing setting. I think they're a big company. Wow, you got quiet real quick. Just dropped that noodle block in and it just went pew. Pew! Yeah. So there it goes. Yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Oh, what am I doing this weekend? I think I'm going to be doing reviews tomorrow morning. And then Sunday, my buddy Matt, the author, is going to come by. He just got a new ride, and we're gonna go down to what do you call it? The U District in Seattle, the place where plenty of people here, are just terrified to go to. There's a lot of homeless people, but I don't know. I don't mind being in an area with a lot of weird people. I'm not saying all homeless people are weird, but there's some weird people there. Very hippy-dippy and strange and druggies and all sorts of stuff. And each corner has some guy yelling at somebody that's not there. That's kind of the thing that I got the last few times I've been down there on the University District. It's weird, but see how much it's changed. It's been a while. But it's busy. There's it's interesting people to look at, but yeah. Go Noodles. Noodles are doing good so far, and there's only a couple minutes left. So on this one, I'm going to use it's going to be the inaugural episode, breaking in the new chashu, and I made chashu last night. It took longer than it usually does, and I was really worried about it. My wife stayed calm, cool, and collected. The first time we did it, she said. The first time we did it, it took longer. I'm like, yeah? I don't even remember that. But yeah, it took longer. We had to run it longer. But it just kept looking pink. I'm like, is it skin on or something? I told him skin off, but no skin on that puppy. Skinless and succulent. Absolutely wonderful batch of chashu. The last batch I did, I tried to make 3 tubes out of it. Did not work all that well because they were just too small. This one made 2. Tried to do it exactly the same way as I did the first time we made chashu, and it did really well. So, yeah. What is up with this stuff? There we go. But, yeah, so I think after this I'll start getting junk ready and situated, and then maybe go for a hoof. I'm trying to think where I'll go. I kind of want to go over to Bothell, but then there's also the Seattle sign. It's tough you gotta pick one or the other. I mean, I can do both. I get yelled at for that, though. It's like, I didn't see you at all yesterday. It's like 7 miles walk to do the Bothell thing, and then it's like another 6 or 7 to do the Seattle thing. All said and done, I usually, if I do both of those, that's like 35,000 steps. I do about 6,000 to 7,000 steps an hour, so it's like I am gone all day if I do that. But that will be something I'm doing when school starts back up for the kids. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to like get as much reviewing done as possible at this point. I've been doing 4 reviews a day. Let's see. As of today, Monday I did 2. No, I didn't do 2 on Monday, did I? I don't remember. But I've been doing a lot of reviews. We'll just put it that way. And I'm going to try to do a full set of 20 next week. So that would be good. So let's get this stuff going. That was what I could have done. I could have done a perfect fried egg for this. I don't know though. That's not looking very eggy on the serving suggestion. Not looking meaty either. Showing like baby corn. Did you know that the baby corn in Southeast Asia compared to the stuff we get here that's in a can is like a completely different thing? It's true. Totally different stuff. It's like crisp and amazing and doesn't taste like brine because it's not in a thing like that. Okay, we're going to add this in and give it a stir as well. Scallion. I roll my own, but hey, when they put it in, it's all right. Garlic pesto, huh? I am getting a scent of garlic. All right. Let go. Wide noodle does have that ripple on the side. Cheers. Give it another bite. My initial thoughts are it's not very strong. The noodle's good. It's got a nice oiliness to it. But it's more like it's meant to be a little more delicate rather than like punchy. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use this bowl plating device. I'm hoping not to regret my decision. Maybe I will slap an egg in here. I don't know. Let's see how it looks with the chashu. Chashu came out great. I had my chashu helper this morning. My daughter, she handed me baggy Ziploc bags. Look at that. Yeah. Now she's out karate chopping things, I guess. Out there doing karate chops, and I'm in here playing with the blowtorch. You know, I'm foregoing the egg. I feel bad about that for some reason, but it just means I really do need to do reviews tomorrow because those eggs will not go a day past that. No, sir. Just to add a little color, here's some scallion. And yeah, this is good. The noodle's good. I'm liking the after effects of taking 2 bites of this stuff. It's like, it's not heavy, it's mellow, and I like things that are flavorful and good. So, yeah. Alright, well, that's it for me. So thanks for watching. Yeah, like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. I'll see you on the flip. Have a good one. Bye-bye.